Welcome, my loves. It's your girl, Sage Monroe. This is my bestie star. Today, we're going to be doing butterfly locks. To begin this style, you are going to want to part the hair into sections and do a square part or triangle, whatever style you're trying to capture here. But once you have an even part, you're going to want to take each section individually and braid it. 3-strand twist. Braid it all the way down to the bottom. If you're doing this style by yourself, you probably want to braid the whole head in its entirety. But since my girl Star was hooking it up for me, she did 2 rows before she continued. Once you have your braids, you're going to want to grab your crochet needle and your butterfly lock. Be sure that you are not putting the crochet needle through the root of your hair, but actually a couple inches down on the actual braid. Hook the crochet needle onto the circular part of your butterfly lock and pull the lock through the braid. When the lock is through, you want to open the circular part and pull the butterfly lock all the way through until it's tightened at the root. Our next step is going to be to wrap the lock so the braid doesn't show. Hold the wrapping hair in one hand with the lock and use the other end to tightly wrap it around the whole lock. To create the butterfly effect, you are going to use a smidgen of hair, as you can see her do here in this video. Wrap it around your thumb to give it that bulging effect. Continue this process until the braid is fully wrapped. Keep in mind, depending on how long your locks are, you may have to grab more hair. After the complete install, she sprayed my scalp with some rose water that really subsided any irritation. Of course, after any lock braid, you have to mousse the hair to keep it nice and neat. And you know my girl got me right and swoop my edges. Look at them, swimming. Voila, bad beach activated. What you talking about? I'm telling you, there is nothing greater to a woman than having her hair did. I truly appreciate you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.